Hello guys, I hope you all are safe and healthy. So today's video is based on how to make and cool and funky ice candle. Sounds strange, है So let's begin our experiment. So first of all, for making ice candle, we need a glass filled with water, and we put that into the freezer for 10 hours. So let's see. So now we take out the ice from the glass. So that is the ice. And we make the hole in the top of ice with the help of knife. Now time to put secret ingredient on ice, which is petrol. So now we fire the ice candle. Now you can see our ice candle is really working. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share.